How to permanently deactivate your Instagram account. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so please follow up with me. First open Instagram and then tap right here in the bottom right corner. From here tap on the three lines in the top right corner and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you're here, tap on Account Center at the top right here. Now tap on Personal Details. Tap on Account Ownership and Control. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion. From here, choose the account that you want to delete, just tap on it. And then from this screen, you'll be given a choice to only deactivate your account temporarily. So maybe you want to take a break and get back to that account. But since we want to delete it permanently, tap on the second option right here and then tap on Continue. Now from this list, choose any reason, it doesn't really matter, and then tap on Continue at the bottom. From here, confirm the action by tapping on Continue. Once you do that, you'll be taken to this screen right here. All you need to do now is to fill in your password correctly and then tap on Continue. And your account will be deactivated or deleted permanently. And that's it for this video. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you for watching.